You took the time to build your store, create your eBay account, list your products, and still not making sales. What's going on, everybody? It's Gone with Culture here. So I totally understand how you guys are totally feeling, but before we get in depth to the content I'm about to actually release to you guys, I want to make sure that you guys drop your comments below if you have any questions about eBay drop shipping, and to actually follow me for more content I'm going to be releasing on a daily basis. And make sure to follow both of my social media, right? IG, Snapchat,
It's going to give you the keys to success, to more wins, and more blessings.
So I totally understand how you guys feel when it comes to actually drop shipping on your eBay business. You probably just like me a few years ago when I actually got involved into e-commerce, when I started doing different platforms and really took eBay very, very serious. And trust me, I know how it is, because everyone comes into this business thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's really not. You really want to be dedicated and consistent, right? You really want to put in some time to actually do, build the business, right? You want to build the business, like you want to actually mold the foundation before you start, trying to generate the income, right? You want to actually understand the module of the business. So the first thing that I actually do when it comes to actually generate income, when I actually started, building my online business, is I did product research, right? I'm going to give you guys a secret strategy on how I did product research. So when I see certain ads on my social media, right? It can be Instagram, it can be Facebook, it can be, what else? Twitter ads, Bing ads, Google ads. What I usually do is I see ads of products that people are engaging on. If you guys don't really understand, look into an ad that you see that people are commenting on a lot, right? And search that product up. Those are hot products that people are selling. The worst mistake that I did in my business was that I started selling products that I liked, right? I wasn't selling what people were looking for. I was selling things that I will buy, I will wear, I will use, on a daily basis. But at the end of the day, it's not about what you want. It's about what your customers are looking for, right? Because at the end of the day, you're the seller and you're looking for buyers. You're looking for people to put in their credit card information and check out, right? So when that actually hit me, and I did a 360 on my business, I started making money, right? Instantly. I started generating daily, weekly, monthly, yearly income, right? My business was on completely automation. So what I'm here to tell you guys is that start searching up products that you don't like. That is the #1 mistake that people do in their business, and it's crazy, right? Search up things that people are looking for on a daily basis. There are tools that I can actually give you guys to use. #1, you guys should start looking into ads, right? Start looking into ads, seeing what people are running ads on, and looking at the comments, looking at how many people engage into that product, and then research the product, right? So if you're gonna drop ship the product from overseas or the US, research the product, see if you can find it cheaper than what that person is selling it, and resell it on your store. I guarantee you're gonna make money. The second thing to do is start using special tools. Like there are tools that I use on the eBay platform that if you do join our Ecom Dropshipping University group, Facebook group, you will see, which is below. You will understand and see the tools that we use, because there's a list of them. But I do suggest you to click the button below to actually be, actually join our Facebook group. The third thing that people do, the reason why they're not getting sales, is that you probably are not putting the right keywords when it comes into eBay drop shipping, right? So what I mean by that is you're probably selling a product, right? Let's just say that you're selling a cell phone, okay? Let's say you're selling a T-Mobile phone. You want to be able to put exactly what that T-Mobile phone do on the title. So it can be a 16 gigabyte T-Mobile unlocked iPhone, clean ESN, right? Those are keywords that people search up on eBay, and if your keywords are not up to point when it comes to what your customers are searching for, your product is not going to be #1. It's not going to be ranked on the top. #2, people are not going to be able to find it, right? So you want to be able to find hot selling products. The second thing is you want to make sure that your keywording is up to point. The third thing you really want to do is that you want to be able to spend more time in your business than focusing on sales, right? So what I mean by that, you're probably like, Godwin, what in the world are you talking about? I'm trying to make money. I totally understand that you're trying to make money, right? But you have to focus more on the business. You want to actually master your craft, right? You want to be able to figure out what everything on the eBay platform does when it comes to multi-shipping, when it comes to running campaigns or ads to your eBay store, or running sponsor ads on your eBay. And you want to be able to actually list multiple products. So one of my students, I'm gonna give you guys an example. One of my students, they only had one sale. They get one sale a month, right? And they were actually, complaining like, man, I'm only getting one sale a month, and everyone else in the group is getting 20, 30, 50 sales a month, up to like 400 sales a month. So what am I doing wrong? And the first question I asked them was, how many listings do you have? That's the major question. How many listings do you have? And they said, one. When it comes to eBay, you want to be able to have a habit of every day you wake up listing 10 to 20 products a day, right? So every day that you wake up, you want to be able to find hot selling products, find out what is trending, right? And list those on your store every single day. You cannot make a lot of money listing one product, right? That is a newbie mistake. And this is why I'm here to actually show you guys that every day list over 10 to 20 products a day, and you see the dramatic change that happened to your business. When me and my business partner Chris actually started listing 20, 30 products a day, we started generating $5, $10, $20,000 in a week, right, in sales, right, to the point where it was going crazy. So, you're not going to be able to just make money from just one product listing in your store. I'm actually dropping some nuggets for you guys to take this and run and duplicate it into your business. Now, the last thing I want to tell you guys is that, I said it before, and I'm going to say it again. Master the business and less focusing on the money. Once you focus on the business, then you're going to start making the money. Once you know the ins and outs of the business, then you're going to start making money, right?